today I'm making this Zataar white bean and farro bowl, and I'm gonna add chicken to it. Whenever I have to make rice or grain, in this case farro, always do it in chicken stock or bone broth to add some additional flavor and additional protein. So I've got the feta already in a bowl. I'm gonna add some oregano. I'm gonna add these olives and red peppers, drizzle of olive oil. I'm gonna let this sit for at least 10 minutes. Okay, once my chicken broth is boiling, I'm just gonna pour in the farro, close it up, and I'm gonna simmer it for 20 minutes. Okay, I'm preheating a pan over medium-high. Then I'm gonna add some olive oil, 2 cloves of garlic, can of drained white beans, and half of my Zataar seasoning. And now I'm gonna take it out and add the juice of half of a lemon. Same pan, gonna add a little more olive oil, carrots, and the mushrooms. We're gonna leave them alone for about 3 minutes. The recipes always say season with salt and pepper, but I almost always use M-salt. M-salt is just a mixture of salt, pepper, and garlic. Our veggies have been going for about 3 or 4 minutes. Now I'm gonna add our chopped tomatoes. I just added the harissa and 2 tablespoons of water. And now we're gonna add the spinach. Okay, my farro is cooked. It just drained the liquid. I'm gonna throw my veggies in here. Same pan, olive oil, seasoned chicken. When I serve this, I'm going to put the farro and vegetables in a bowl, top it with the chicken, top it with these seasoned beans, and then add the feta and vegetable mixture on the top. If you want a free week of Apron, I can send you one. Just send me a direct message.